I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get home.
If I did it all again, I would give like 10%. You deserve like half today. I'ma need my money back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, I have another wig for you guys, and this wig was sent to me from Wiggins hair, and I definitely love this color. But anyway, so this wig was sent to me from Wiggins hair. They sent me this 24-inch P4/613 highlighted wig. This wig is 200 density. It's really giving 250. So straight out the pack, it came straight in. I went in, I plucked the wig a little bit more to my liking, but it came plucked enough to where a beginner could, like, you know, install it. So the plucking was really good on the wig. The lace is a 13x4, super good lace. I think it's a 10 out of 10, of course. I really loved installing this wig. The color was everything, for real. Y'all don't mind that hair, I'm not gonna cut that off, but yes, y'all, the hair was super nice. Like, straight out, I really didn't have to do much but literally do the glue down edges and flat iron a little bit, since I did go in and pluck it and everything. But straight out the pack, that hair will literally come like this, like literally. It's already straightened for you, like to a bone, like bone straight, so you don't have to worry about any of that. I think like this wig didn't have too much shedding other than the hair that I did pluck, so I haven't got any shedding. I can run my fingers through it freely, no catches, no anything. This color is beautiful. Again, this is the 13x4 P4/613 highlighted wig in 24 inches and 200 density, if y'all are wondering. But yeah, I love this install. Super quick, super easy, nothing much. Let me show y'all how long it is, cause it's really giving. It's giving. This is how long the hair is. It kind of stops, like if you're sitting down, it will stop like at your waist. So definitely true to length. And let me show y'all a close up of the hair. And y'all, I'm just now getting good at baby hairs, but before I used to struggle. But yeah, I definitely love how the baby hairs that I did on this wig turned out. I wanted it to be like a simple, classy look, not too much. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm gonna get right into this install for you guys. I'm not gonna waste no time.
Damn down, Julio made me for you, and I might hit your phone now. The ba. Missing my da, missing that and all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic, all in your acrobatics. You know I'm static. Tell me to throw it back. Missing my da, missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you, put the pussy away for you. Thinking I will wait for you. And that damn down, you make me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up. The ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All this kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn joke, toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic. All in your acrobatics. You know I won't stay. Tell me to throw it back. Ba-ba, missing my da-da-da, missing that ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, run it back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I will wait for you. And that damn down, you make me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up. The ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs, not shit. You a damn joke, toxic, problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling you dramatic. All in your acrobatics. You know I won't stay. Tell me to throw it back. You make me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da.
Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Thank you guys so much if you stayed to the end. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you already haven't. Go ahead and drop that like. And yeah, until next time guys, thank you so much for watching.